Hey everyone, and welcome back to Enhance Smart Skills. Let me ask you something. Are you really getting the most out of ChatGPT? I mean, truly. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and unlock some seriously powerful features that most people just, well, they never even find them.
Think about it. Are you only using, say, 10% of what ChatGPT can do? It's kind of like having a key to this incredible treasure chest, but you're only using it to, open your front door. And listen, we're not talking about some crazy, complicated prompt engineering here. These are simple, built-in features that can literally save you hours of work.
And you might be wondering, how does he know that? Well, get this. Recent research showed that a staggering 92% of users have never even opened the settings menu. Seriously, 92%. It's this massive blind spot, and you know what? That's exactly where all the real power is hiding.
So let's fix that right now. We're going to unlock the features that turn ChatGPT from just a simple chatbot into your own personal power tool. I mean, this is going to be huge for everything from blasting through emails to digging into data.
All right, first up, your foundation. We're talking about the essential settings. Let's build a really strong foundation here. These are the kinds of set it and forget it settings that are going to improve every single chat you have from this moment on.
And it's a simple three-step setup for privacy and personalization. We're going to protect your data, control its memory, and then give it some instructions.
Okay, first, and this is absolutely crucial, protecting your data. By default, and this is a big deal, your conversations are not private. So before you type anything even remotely sensitive, you've got to go into Settings, find Data Controls, and turn off Improve the Model for Everyone. Seriously, this is essential for any work stuff, client projects, really anything confidential. Trust me on this one, you do not want your private chats ending up in some giant training data set.
Next up, let's talk about memory. You ever feel like ChatGPT knows you, maybe a little too well? Well, that's because it's designed to remember details about you from one conversation to the next. The good news is you can pop into Settings and then Personalization to see exactly what it's stored. If you see something you don't like, you can just delete it, or, hey, turn the whole feature off.
All right, now for what I think is a total game changer, custom instructions. Seriously. Think of this like giving ChatGPT a permanent cheat sheet about you. Instead of constantly reminding it who you are and what you do, you set it up once. You tell it your job, your preferred writing style, even your sense of humor. The difference is night and day. You go from generic answers to perfectly tailored responses instantly.
Okay, next section, your toolkit. These are your everyday power-ups. So, our foundation is secure, now let's build out your toolkit. These are the features you're going to find yourself using every single day to get work done faster and, honestly, a lot more creatively.
You know that feeling? You're out for a walk, on your commute, and a brilliant idea just hits you, but you can't type? This is where voice mode comes in. You can literally brainstorm ideas without typing a single word. And it's not just basic speech to text. It's a real, back-and-forth conversation. I use this all the time to hash out ideas when I'm away from my desk. The quality? It's surprisingly good.
And you have to remember, ChatGPT is so much more than just a text box. You can upload all sorts of files. We're talking PDFs, research papers, CSV spreadsheets, images, screenshots, even code files. I mean, I've used it to summarize dense reports, spot trends in data, and even debug code just from a screenshot of an error message. The possibilities here are just endless.
Okay, here's a super simple but incredibly powerful tip. Use the search bar in your sidebar. I can't tell you how many times I've had a great idea in a chat only to completely forget about it a week later. With search, you can just type a keyword and instantly find that conversation from months ago. You're basically turning your entire chat history into your own personal, searchable knowledge base.
All right, part 3, your workspace. We're talking advanced moves now. Ready to really level up? Okay, because in this section, we are building your workspace. These are the advanced moves that really separate the casual users from the true power users. This is where ChatGPT becomes an active partner in your work.
First up, custom GPTs. The best way to think about these is like having a whole team of specialized AI assistants on call. So instead of using the general one-size-fits-all ChatGPT for everything, you can pick a pre-built expert for a specific task. Maybe a writing coach, a coding assistant, or a data analyst. You can find a ton of them in the GPT store, right there in the sidebar.
And this is where things get really exciting. This is where you stop just asking questions and you start delegating actual work. I'm not kidding.
So what is this magic? It's called Agent Mode, and it's a real AI assistant. The workflow is simple. You give a command in plain English. Then ChatGPT gets to work, accessing your other apps like your Gmail, your calendar, maybe your Notion. And then the task just gets done for you. Imagine just saying, hey, schedule a meeting with Susan for next Tuesday. And it just does it. Creates the event, sends the invite, everything. It's like having a personal assistant that works across all your different tools.
You remember how frustrating it was that ChatGPT's knowledge was always stuck in the past? Yeah, well, those days are over. With web browsing, it can now search the internet in real time and, importantly, cite its sources. This is perfect for researching current events or any topic where you need the absolute latest info.
And hey, if you write any kind of long-form content, reports, articles, blog posts, you absolutely have to check out Canvas mode. It's basically a split-screen interface. It's like having Google Docs, but your co-editor is an AI. It can suggest changes, help you restructure paragraphs, brainstorm next sections. It's an incredible tool for getting over writer's block and getting that first draft done.
Okay, your key takeaways. Let's go from user to power user. Whew, we've covered a lot of ground. So let's quickly recap and boil it down to the most important takeaways.
Okay, here's your ChatGPT power-up plan. 3 simple steps. First, go into your settings, secure your data, control its memory, and please add those custom instructions. Second, expand your toolkit. Start using voice mode when you're on the go and upload files to analyze documents and data. And third, build your workspace. Explore custom GPTs for specialized tasks and look into agent mode to really start automating your work across different apps.
Look, these features can truly transform ChatGPT from just a simple tool into a powerful integrated productivity system. You don't have to use all of them at once, but I guarantee that mastering even a few will fundamentally change the way you work. So, now that you have the keys, what will you build? If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Enhance Smart Skills for more videos like this.